Hello friends, welcome to OpenHelix Telecom channel. Friends, today we will know about GPS synchronization and how GPS we can sync in different technology. Okay, so let's see full video. I'll tell everything and related cable too. Okay, so we will see first numbering wise. We have number 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. Okay, so first, we will know about number 6. This is GPS antenna. Okay, you can say GNSS antenna also. This is GPS antenna, and this is your cable, and this is your GPS surge protector. Okay, so GPS synchronization. How we will sync GPS in technology? First, we need to install GPS on tower, or you can install on tower lake, and you need to connect cable to GPS from system module. So in system module, where you have to connect in which technology, okay, and what is the configuration to connect GPS with all technology, I mean 2G, 3G, and 4G. So which technology we will connect first? So first we need to connect in 4G technology, LT2600. This is higher band, and then we need to connect in lower band LT800. Okay, and again we need to connect in WCDMA, and that is 3G and 3G to 2G. Means our GPS synchronization will be 4G higher to 4G lower, 4G to 3G, and 3G to 2G. This type sync we have to do in different technology. Okay, now we will talk about GPS cable. Okay, what cable we need to use over here? Okay, because we can see over here we have different system module. This is your ESMB or ESMC, you can say. Okay, and this is your FSME, it support WCDMA, and this is your FSMF, this is also FSMF. So both FSMF supporting LTE 4G, FSME supporting WCDMA 3G, and ESMB supporting GSM technology 2G. Okay, so what cable we need to use? Okay, we have also cable over here. We will see first cable. This is your first, and first cable ESFA sync cable for flagship 12 meter. So length is 12 meter, and cable type will be MDR 26 to MDR 14. You have to use here MDR 26 to, and here MDR 14. Output, I mean sync output and sync input. Okay, then you have to use here FTSK cable, MDR 26, MDR, sorry, you need to use here because your cable connecting from this side. Okay, so HDMI to MDR 26, and then you have to use MDR 14 to MDR 26. So your second number cable will be there, MDR 26 to HDMI. Okay, and third number your cable will be FTSF sync cable, that is HDMI cable. Okay, and here you have to connect GPS sync cable, FTSH, that is GPS sync cable, and FYEA GPS surge register, surge protector kit. This is your 5 number, and 6 number your FYGB. It's called GPS, I mean GNSS antenna kit. Okay, so this type we can do GPS synchronization in different technology. Okay, guys, this video will help for interview. Okay, because nowadays interviewer asking how we will connect GPS antenna in different technology, because now earlier we had only 2G, now we have more technology like 2G and 3G and 4G. So how our GPS will connect in technology by, so they will ask question, then you have to say simply we have to install GPS on tower, or you can install on tower lake. Then you have to connect in 4G. If you have higher band, then you need to connect in 4G lower band. Then you have to connect 3G and then 2G. This type configuration you have to do. Okay. So guys, always I'm saying that if you are new on my channel, please subscribe my channel, because you will see more technical video on this channel. Thank you guys.